Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your iPhone is updated and you're signed into iCloud. This ensures wallet syncs. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus. That begins adding a card. Use the camera or enter numbers manually, then follow the bank's verification steps because authorization ties the card to your Apple ID and device. Once verification completes, the card appears in Wallet and is ready for contactless payments, so make sure to test it quickly at a terminal. Next, you populate Wallet with everything you use: boarding passes, transit cards, tickets, and loyalty programs. Use the app that issued the pass or the camera to scan barcodes, then tap Add to Wallet so passes appear at the right time. Make sure to set a default payment card in Settings Wallet and Apple Pay, and enable Express Transit where supported. These choices speed payments and reduce friction. Once set, passes will surface automatically based on location and time. To complete a purchase, double-click the side button and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This authorizes a secure token rather than sending your card number. Hold the top of your iPhone near the reader until you feel a vibration or see Done. For passes, open the specific pass and present its barcode. If a payment or pass fails, restart the phone and verify iOS is current. Make sure Wallet has network or cellular access, and if problems persist, contact your bank to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.